So today I am sharing with you all a recipe that I myself tried for the first time and it really turned out to be great. And I think you too are going to love it. Hi friends, my name is Dipali and I am from dipaliori.com, where I love to share some sweet treats with a bit of baking science. And before we get started with the recipe, be sure to hit that little bell icon near the subscribe button so you are notified each and every time I post a new baking video. It was my mom and dad's anniversary last week, and at the very last moment I thought to bake a cake for them. And as mangoes are in the season, an eggless mango cake was my first choice. So let's check the ingredients. For this we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of mango pulp, half a cup of condensed milk, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup oil and half a cup of milk. So first of all, we'll take a big bowl and we'll mix all our dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder. There can be some lumps from the baking powder or the baking soda. We just need to dissolve all these lumps. Just mix it properly. Now in another bowl, we'll mix the wet ingredients. Here goes the oil, the mango pulp, condensed milk, and powdered sugar. Now we have to mix the ingredients properly. So as my mom and dad, they love seasonal fruits, especially mango. So this was the main reason I thought to make a mango cake. So now I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So mix this batter properly so that everything is incorporated. Our batter is done, but it seems a bit thick, not too much. So we'll not add whole of the milk, but 1 or 2 tablespoons. Our oven is already on preheat at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the batter is ready. Let's pour it into the tin and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. Our cake is now ready, and after cooling I have taken it out from the tin. I'm removing the butter paper now. The cake has turned out to be quite good and soft too. I had some spare minutes with me, so I thought to decorate the cake. And as my mom and dad, they don't like the frosted cakes much, I thought to decorate it with the mango itself. So this is 1 mango. I have sliced it from both the sides. From one side I have cut it horizontally and the other side vertically. Now I'll use these slices to decorate my cake. from the bigger slices to the smaller ones. We'll be placing them on the cake, coming towards the inner side of the cake. It's really easy and it looks very beautiful once it's all done. So I was not having enough time, so that is why I'm doing it very fast, and also I had only 2 mangoes at home and not enough time to go and purchase more mangoes, so I'm utilizing only whatever I had with me. 1 mango for the pulp and the other mango for the decoration. But then too, it really turned out to be a very tasty and good looking cake. With the remaining slices, you can just fill the gaps. The cake is now ready, and see how beautiful it is looking. It seems like a big yellow rose. Now, as I said, I baked this cake in a hurry. So if you have time and you are baking it for a small party, you can be more creative with the cake. Now what I've done is I've drizzled some caramel syrup around the cake at the spaces which is without mango. So I'll be making more mango cakes this season with different recipes, and we'll find out together which recipe is the best one. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you love the recipe. If you give it a try, don't forget to send me a picture over on my Instagram, and I can't wait to see all of your mango cake creations. So if you enjoyed watching this cake today, do like the video, share the video, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye and take care.